Guys, day 2 out to Myrtle Beach to my new home. Got the dogs back. It's crazy raining. We're in the mountains of North Carolina. Whoa, hydroplane. Yeah, it's rain is crazy out here. I'm like sopping wet, getting loaded up with the dogs and my luggage. So Gucci Gavin and Eric DeRoy got a head start, so I'm gonna see if I can catch up to them. It's hard when it's these twisty mountains here with standing water. That was my problem last night coming through. So yeah, I'm gonna get off the camera and focus on driving, but just letting you know what's going on. I finally caught up to him. I think I'm gonna win the race. Man, look how big that truck is. Look at Sparta! I'm in South Carolina, probably like 15 minutes from Myrtle Beach. So I finally made it here. I actually am gonna make it to where I can see the walkthrough of my house on time. I didn't think I was gonna make it, so like I said, yesterday's video, I was gonna try to make it to the walk-in. It looks like it's happening, so I get to see the house the day before moving in. Sign the papers tomorrow, and Gucci Gavin is like, I don't know, way back there. I blew the doors off him when I passed it by, so he's way back. Catch up to him a little bit. Leo in the bag, doing good. Here in Myrtle Beach. Just finished unloading yesterday, delivering this bag. Check how big this bad boy is. Look at this thing, huge. Gucci. Did you drive this thing?
What?
Did you drive this big bad boy?
I could say I did.
Yeah, right. So what are we gonna go look at today, man?
Apartments.
For who?
Myself.
And what else?
I mean, I'm looking at the jet skis.
That's right. Whoa, we're gonna get ran over. Alright, so let's get this day going.
Y'all ready for it, bitch? Ready for it? Trying to get them out here. Go, somebody, go.
Challenging for me when I did it.
Alright, so tomorrow I'm picking up the jet skis. Sad thing is my brother, real Gucci Gavin, right there. But he's back tonight, so he's gonna get to go on the jet ski tomorrow. So there's like a break-in period, they said, for a couple hours and whatnot on the machines, and then you can let them loose. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.